Guys,
Papatiin muna natin sila.
Sobrang thankful ako kasi first theatrical movie ko to. And then sobrang blessed din ako na maka-work sila direct, and of course for giving me this opportunity din to Sir Don and Sir Romeo Larry.
Now, the priority po kasi is finishing college. So after that, I'll be open po to opportunities na mabibigay sa akin. And it's good to, like, after I graduate, that's the point now where I'll start my new chapter and trying new things and exploring things na I'm capable of. Yun lang. Thank you po.
Course mo, tsaka ng school.
Right now, I'm taking up business, BSPA, major in export management in the La Salle College of St. Benedict's. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Ang pinagkaiba nito is ito kasi may action.
Okay.
And first film namin ni Rush na medyo action siya, and then sobrang exciting kasi ang dami talagang aabangan na mangyayari dito sa film. And sa love scene, abangan nyo na lang po. Ayun. Abangan nyo. Pero R16 naman to, so hindi siya ganun ka-daring. Ayan. Thank you.
Of course, next is Romel.
Evening, everyone. Thank you so much for coming tonight. I hope you all enjoyed the film. And I'm Micaela po, that's Steph. And yeah, thank you so much for coming. And I hope ma-enjoy natin itong pelikula. Thank you.
Ayan, thank you.
I played the role of Kitty. I think Kitty yung name. Hindi ko sure. Kitty yung name, and assassin kami dito. So, we'll see kung ano, sa film, kung ano yung magiging role namin dito. Ang masasabi ko lang is, super exciting nung ginawa namin, kakaiba. From, alam niyo naman kung saan ako kung saan kami galing. So yeah, it is really different from the streaming platform that we're doing. So yeah, I hope, masubaybayan po natin ito lahat. Thank you.
Okay, Milen, mabilisan ang role.
I play a female assassin in the film. And sobrang matindi yung mga eksena namin dito, kaya abangan nyo. Thank you.
Well, ako po, I used to be a beauty queen po before. Yeah, that was like 6 years ago.
Anong title mo?
Miss Queen of Asia Philippines po. Yeah. And then after that, nag-regional director po ako ng Mutya ng Pilipinas at Quezon. Yeah, and then, ayun, nag-rest muna, nag-school ako, nag-culinary school, and then after, trinay ko mag-binamans. Ayan.
So wala ka ng plano sumali ka dyan?
Baka wala na po.
Ayun, aware ka, like, sa yung mga medyo may issue ngayon na kapag nag-Viva Max or nagpa-sexy, medyo limitado na ang chances sumali ng
Yes po, I heard nga.
Anong reaction mo doon?
Well, for me, siguro, medyo ano po yan, syempre sa part namin. Kasi syempre, siguro being a sexy star, it doesn't define you as parang, di ba? Siguro degrade din. At the same time, syempre, parang, nakaka-discriminate po. Pero, siguro, nasa ano naman po nila yun patakaran nila. But then, syempre, nakakasad. Kasi ako, alam ko naman na yung pagiging sexy star is work lang. At alam naman namin na lahat na nakaka-work namin is professional din. And, ayun.
At least may Sagrada Luna ka ngayon.
Yes po, and thankful din po ako syempre na nakapag-shift ako agad. Na ito, wholesome na. And, ayun, sana po magtuloy-tuloy na rin ito. Thank you.
guys.
Okay, let's all watch the movie.